Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. In this video, I will show how you can rephrase or reduce the plagiarism in your thesis and your articles. Today we learn with practical example reducing the plagiarism, so let's start. Okay, for example, I have an online article about online social networking and mental health. Okay, you can see, this is the abstract of this article. Alright, I'm going to copy this abstract and introduction section. Now, search for any plagiarism checker. You can use any plagiarism checker, this is easy to available. Simple copy this text. Okay, now, simply paste the text here, and click on tab Check Plagiarism. Okay. Wait for few seconds. Website scanning our documents. It is unique or plagiarized will show the ratio of uniqueness. Okay, now you can see that it has provided us with the result. That is 100% plagiarized. Okay. Now, open Google search bar, search Quillbot, and click on Search Quillbot on this first website. Okay. If you are new on this website, it will ask for the sign up. Sign up is totally free. Now. Okay. Click on this first tool, that is paraphrase. Alright, copy this text again, and paste it over here in Quillbot paraphrase tool. Then simply click on the paraphrase. You can see that it is paraphrased our text. Now copy the same paraphrase text. Again go back the online plagiarism checker. Now check this paraphrase text that we have obtained from paraphrasing tool. Just click on Check Plagiarism. Okay, you can see that our result is 67% uniques, and there is 33% plagiarized. So, what this Quillbot has done, it has removed or reduced any sort of the plagiarism in your documents. This was a practical proof of how to remove the plagiarism from your thesis or articles. Quillbot is free for everyone, so, two options available, one standard, other one is fluency. But in case of premium Quillbot, there are so many options that you can use as well as, for example, if you want to convert into more academic language, you can choose the option academic as well. If you want to convert into more formal language, you can click on this formal. In the premium version, you can use the academic or formal tool in order to reduce the plagiarism from your thesis or article. As well as you can change the synonym level in your documents. It means the number of synonym this Quillbot could use for reducing the plagiarism from your document. So, in both cases, if you have simple Quillbot or premium, both are useful. Now you can remove plagiarism from your thesis or article easily. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.